AI is taking over content creation, and this video is proof. You clicked because you want to see how AI can actually make YouTube videos in minutes, and you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact 3 AI tools that built this YouTube video you're watching right now, and the same workflow works for short-form IG, TikTok, YouTube Shorts too. Now, quick context so you know I'm not some random guy. Over the last decade, I've generated over 35 million views and made multiple 8 figures from social media. But I did it the hard way: long nights filming, editing, hiring, and managing videographers. Today, AI makes all of that 10x easier. No cameras, no editors, no sitting in front of a microphone, just pure leverage. Oh, and by the way, this exact same procedure works, of course, also for short-form video creation for Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. So let's break it down step by step. First up, HeyGen. This is the tool that's generating the avatar of me you're watching right now. I uploaded a sample video of myself once, and now I never need to film again. HeyGen lets me generate a talking avatar in seconds. First, we will go to heygen.com and log in. You can pick your avatar from HeyGen's avatar selection, or you can upload your own by hitting avatars. Create a new avatar, an upload recording of yourself, or make a new recording using your phone or webcam. To generate the video, just go to Create Video, select aspect ratio and avatar you want to use, drop in your script, select voice, and click Generate. Done. The AI mouth movement, the voice sync, it's all automated.
Hell yeah, you can even turn yourself into a way better looking version of you.
That means no cameras, no lighting setups, no reshoots. You literally clone yourself once and then let the AI do the heavy lifting. But obviously, you still need what I call the content brain: topic ideas, titles, hooks, and scripts. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Here's exactly what I do. I program ChatGPT to sound like me. I give ChatGPT some of my writing. This can be social media posts written before, articles, blog posts, even transcripts of YouTube videos. You can do this by either copy, pasting the text directly into ChatGPT, or compiling all the text into a document and then uploading it to ChatGPT. I can prompt ChatGPT to update its memory with my samples by using this prompt. Please analyze my writing style, add it to your memory, and in the future, whenever I ask you to write content, refer to this writing style. And here are some of the examples from my social media posts. Hit generate, and we just got our style analyzed by ChatGPT. You can fine-tune it every time you see ChatGPT use words or phrases you wouldn't normally say by using this prompt. Instead of saying X, please always say Y. Please update your memory and remember this for any future references. I ask it for clickable YouTube titles around my niche. It's easy to use ChatGPT to come up with generic content ideas that won't grow your audience. But having ChatGPT come up with spot-on ideas that fit perfectly for your audience and make you grow is something very few creators have mastered. You will need to describe your platform and topic, your audience, add inspirational context, and describe the purpose of your content. To do so, we will use this prompt: please give me 10 content ideas for YouTube on the topic of starting a business and making your first 15K a month. The audience I'm looking to reach is people who want to make money online and start a business. They're very much in the beginning phase. You can draw content inspiration in the screenshots. You can see my current account analytics. Use this to better understand the audience I want to target. The main goal of the content ideas is to reach the new audience and grow the channel. Here are 10 viral content ideas we can choose from. Let's the first idea and type in the following to get our YouTube title suggestions. I like idea 1. Please turn this into a YouTube title with maximum 50 characters in length. And here's the title for our YouTube video that we can use. I have it generate hooks, bullet points, and full teleprompter scripts. We will write: please write the hook for a script for YouTube video plus rough outline, to get our hook and bullet points ready. As you can see, we got them in just a few seconds. And to get the full teleprompter scripts, we will use this prompt. Based on this outline, write a teleprompter ready script in my personal writing style. And here it is. Our script is ready for recording or using by our AI avatar. I even get ChatGPT to give me thumbnail text ideas so I know what will grab attention. By writing, please give me thumbnail text ideas I can use for this YouTube video, we will get 10 viral thumbnail text ideas based on our audience and script outline. And now we have full script with hook, intro, outro, and call to action, all teleprompter ready. This part used to take me hours of brainstorming. Now, it's 5 minutes. And for short form, same thing. You can have ChatGPT pump out 15-second viral scripts that plug straight into HeyGen. Once the video is generated in HeyGen, the last piece is editing and styling. And that's where Submagic comes in. This tool is built for creators who want their content to pop without hiring an editor. It adds dynamic captions automatically. It styles them with color, emojis, and movement. It even adds jump cuts and pacing tweaks automatically. Just go to Generate Captions, upload the video you want to edit with AI, and click Generate Captions again. Submagic will generate captions, emojis, and animations with its AI. You can select style and edit captions. By going to Edit B-rolls, you can add zoom-in transitions with a click of a button, add custom or AI-generated B-rolls, and export the video in just a few minutes. The result? You get that fast-paced, scroll-stopping style you see in viral clips and full-length YouTube videos, but without paying $500 per month to an editor. So here's the full workflow we just used to make this video you're watching. ChatGPT brainstorms titles, hooks, scripts, and thumbnail ideas. HeyGen turns the script into a professional-looking AI avatar video. Submagic adds captions, edits, and styling to make it scroll-stopping. Put those three together, and you've got a plug-and-play AI video factory. Long form, short form, doesn't matter. The principle is the same. This entire video, from the script to the avatar to the captions, was made with the exact workflow I just showed you. And yes, you probably noticed it already. Me looking and sounding a bit off, not being as charismatic as usual. But let me tell you, this is the worst version of these AI tools there will ever be. We're only getting better every day, so make sure you learn how to use AI now before you fall behind and have others get the views, the monetization, and ultimately their dream lives while you stay cynical or procrastinate. Don't let that happen. Now, if you're serious about actually leveraging this and building a real business with it, here's what to do. Option 1, work directly with me and my team. We'll help you start and scale your brand, your content, and your business. Links in the description. Option 2, if you want to go deeper yourself and learn more about the AI side, grab my AI content creator course. It's all in there step by step. Links in the description as well. Either way, this is the future. You can fight it or you can leverage it. Your call. Bye.